Hello everyone, my name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are seeing the conversion functions of string and encoding. So in this, we cover the base64, base64 to string, base64 to binary, as well as decode base64, data URI. Also, we see the data URI to string as well. So also six more functions are there, so that we are seeing in our next video. So if you are not watching this playlist, okay, so I will recommend you to go through our YouTube channel, and if not subscribed to please subscribe and watch the entire Learn Microsoft Power Automate series from beginner to advanced. So let's go to the Power Automate. So friends, we are in Microsoft Power Automate. Today is day 10. We are seeing the base64 function. So you have one question in mind. What is base64? Base64 is a way to encode data like text, images, or file into a string made up of only readable characters from capital A to Z or small a to Z or 0 to 9 plus and other symbols. This makes it safe to transmit over a system that can handle only text data. In some of the applications or some of the APIs, what's happen, it not accept the directly base binary data means 0 1 format data. It only accept the text data. So in that case, we use base64 format to convert the text data. Okay, so let's go and see how it's work in the Power Automate. So friends, you can see we simply pass here learn Power Automate with me in the base64 function. Okay, let's see what output we are getting. So first let's save our flow. Let's test the flow. So friends, you can see we receive a base64 string. Okay, it not containing any white spaces. Okay, only the capital and small letters and numbers are present, and also some of the symbol. So this is the base64 conversion that we have done. So let's go to the another function. So now we will do the vice versa here. Okay, first we converted text into base64. Okay, now we will convert base64 into string. So let's go to the power effects, use a base64 to string function, and in that we pass the dynamic content base64. Let's click on the add. Let's run the flow. Okay, we should get the same output that we pass in the base64 here. Let's see what we get. So friends, you can see our flows run successfully. Okay, and in the output we are getting the same string learn Power Automate with me. And if you not subscribe to channel, please subscribe as well, and please watch our all the videos. So now let's go to next function. Our next function is base64 to binary. So base64 to binary means 0 1 format. Okay, binary represent only 0 1 format. So we are converting this base64. So let's first go use your base64 to binary, open bracket, close bracket, and let's we pass here base64 output. Click on add. Let's test this. So friends, our flows run successfully and we receive the output as well. Learn Power Automate with you. Okay, so we not receive 0 1 format because okay, our Power Automate designer, okay, it gives the text format instead of binary. So if you are when you are doing the API request, okay, in that time it works correctly. So this node is also mention here. Okay, so I will attach this document in the comment box of Microsoft. You can go and read that as well. Okay, so let's go to our next function. Our next function is decode base 64. Okay, so it is similar. You will get a string format. Okay, let's see what we get by using decode function. So output also we receive the same. Okay, that we are converted in the base 64, means learn power automate with me. Okay, let's see what output we are getting. Learn power automate with me is the output. So let's go to the another function. Okay, now it is data URI. Okay, so let's go and see this function. So data URI function basically converts a text into an URL. So let's go and see. So data. So we simply pass here, please subscribe to the channel. We are converting this text into an URL. So let's go and click on the add. Let's run this Power Automate flow. Manually trigger 70. Let's run the flow. So friends, you can see we succeed. We are getting one link. Okay. Let's I copy this link and let's go to new tab and just hit on enter. So you can see we get a text, please subscribe to the channel by using this URI. So now let's do the vice versa. Let's we convert this data URL, okay, into text. So we have the function data URI to the string. So let's we go use the same function. In the function, let's we go the output to the data URI. Let's click on the add and let's run our Power Automate flow. Manually trigger 70. So you can see we successfully extracted text from the URL. So please subscribe to channel. We receive text as. So friends, in our next video we are seeing the next 6 conversion functions. So please stay with us, and if not subscribe to channel, please subscribe. Keep learning, keep growing, keep exploring. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.